What was that?
I don't know, but it sounds huge. It is. It's the new ASP-3 from AIS, the experts in O-ring installation. If you're installing large O-rings by hand, you already know the problem. It's slow, and it's inconsistent.
So what can the ASP-3 install?
External O-rings from 2 inches outer diameter and up.
And how fast is it?
10 to 12 cycles per minute. Consistent every time. Without the issues that come with manual installation. Built for production. Same available options. Same AIS engineering. Same build quality. The ASP-3 from AIS. The experts in O-ring installation for your largest seal installation projects.